Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. This is Honey Doll Nails. Today we're going to be doing a video on storyboard nail art. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so that you may be notified of all future videos. Today I wanted to talk to you about storyboard nails. The name of this storyboard is called The Remix. I went and got a magazine and cut out some pictures that were really nice, vibrant, and jumped out at me. And I said, yes, this would be great for a storyboard. You can see the vibrant blues, the black and whites, the stripes, the polka dots. And so the first thing you want to do is you want to start by cutting out a collage. Cut out what jumps out to you. Cut out what the main thing or the main theme of your storyboard is going to be. And then, of course, get your nails ready, all polished. And after that, then you're going to just let your fingers do anything that they want to do. So as you can see, I wrote remix out very large on 5 of the nails, and the other 5 is where I did my actual storyboard as far as like the colors, the polka dots, the lines, and the stripes. I even put a little picture in there with blue in the middle. I used one of the thumbnails to use every line, stripe, circle, and polka dot. Some of the nails are matte and some of them are shiny. I even have one gold nail. So let me know down in the comment box below what you think about the remix. I enjoyed making these nails. It took me about an hour to come up with this design, and it took me about an hour to complete it. So about 2 hours in all to come up with this set of press-on nails. And this is the reveal. I think I got as close to it as I possibly could. So next storyboard is going back in time. So this is like a 1960s look. I loved it. I was going to go with shades, but I decided not to. But definitely yellow, pink and white polka dot, black, and green. Let me know down in the comment box below if you decided to ever do a storyboard, like how would you do your storyboard, or what storyboard you would like me to do on the next time. So another thing I want to let you know is definitely make it your own. Don't try to copy what anybody else has done, because we're living in a copycat society. Everything everybody else is doing, you want to do it too. But it's always good to have your own thought process when it comes down to making your storyboard. So instead of me just having regular lips, I used some water decals, because back then that's when ice cream was like hot and popping back then. I also decided to use checkerboards. So that made it look a little bit different. The same, but different. I just put my own spin on it. So that's what I mean when I say think outside the box or dare to be different. That's what's going to get you noticed when it comes down to your client deciding what type of nails to get on your storyboards. So thank you for tuning in. Here's a price list if you would like to get some services from me. And as always, God bless and have a wonderful day.